Motor Misfit.
Yo, what is up, everybody? This is your boy Los. Thank you for tuning in to another Motor Misfit episode. Please like, comment below, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon. That will definitely help out the channel, get this content out to more people that might benefit from it. Also, check out the other videos and do the same on the other videos. Also, check out the podcast. We have a bi-weekly podcast. Yeah, bi-weekly. Every 2 weeks. That's bi-weekly, right? So, bi-weekly podcast where we just talk about cars, and actually, going forward, we're going to talk about the automotive business. So, automotive businesses, still cars, still news, but more dedicated to just opening automotive business. So, and automotive business in general. So please check that out. That's on your favorite platforms, your favorite podcast platforms. Check that out. Just search for Motor Misfit, and that is the podcast. Also, check out motormisfit.com, and you'll be able to see a lot of stuff. Get in contact with me. Also, they'll give you access to the YouTube videos and the podcast itself. So go on there, check that out. So today is going to be a different type of video, right? Only because we're not going to have really Type R content. We are going to have Camaro ZL1 content. So if anybody out there is a Camaro lover or loves or is interested in Camaros, this is definitely the video for you. Because my boy ZL1 Willin, I am going with him to go get his car checked out at the Chevy dealer. They are going to check it out. They're going to take it in today, and we're going to see what's going on with it. So, you guys, I put out a video where him and myself, we went out to the GTR meetup the other night, probably like a week or two ago, and they met up. We were there. We had a great time. On the way back, we were trying to catch some races and did a little bit of spirited driving ourselves, right? So in one of those spirited drives, I saw that he was kind of slowing down. And, I'm thinking that he's pressing the brakes, but I don't see any brake lights come on. And then he calls me and he's saying that his car is losing power. So we're on the highway, mind you, and we pull over to the side of the road on the highway, and he tells me that he has to disconnect his battery, basically reset the car. He has to disconnect one of the battery terminals and reconnect it. So, yeah, on the side of the highway, we have to do this. If you guys don't know, the Camaro, at least the ZL1's battery is in the trunk, so we had to get in the trunk. He was lucky that he actually had tools, because it happened to him twice before. So he started going around with a socket set, so that if it happens again, he's ready. So it happened again, and now he set up a meeting so that he can go and get it checked out at Chevy. I'm on my way to pick up ZL1 Willin. They just called him about his ZL1. It's ready, and he needs me to go take him over there. It's almost been a week, right? So they've had it for a little while. Now, the thing is that obviously dealers aren't open, or the service department isn't open on Sundays. We dropped it off on a Friday afternoon. They weren't going to look at it on Saturday. I doubt it. They probably looked at it on Monday. The service advisor was out on Monday. I guess it was his day off. And they didn't give him a call on Tuesday. On Tuesday, they went back and forth on what actually needed to be done and what they were going to do and if he was going to do any of it and yada, yada, yada. And finally, he decided to do one of the things that he took it there for. So he took it there. I don't know if I was supposed to turn on that street. Oh, well. He took it there, and, well, now they called him that it's ready. So we're here with ZL1 Willin. Let me put the mask on.
How you doing, guys? How's everything?
So you got the baby back.
I got it back finally.
After almost a week.
Almost a week tomorrow.
So what happened, man? Like, what happened? What was the issue? I told people that we were coming back from the GTRs, from meeting up with the GTRs, and then you were losing power. So what exactly happened?
So I did a little research. So when I look online, it was supposed to be either the bottle throttle position sensor, which always gets damaged, and that caused the power engine reduce message on the dashboard. The other option was the MAF sensor, which is the sensor for the air filter. That sometimes also causes the same issue. So, and I heard from a couple forums that might be the intake manifold that sometimes messed up. So, because there were so many options of what could be wrong with the car, I decided just to take it to the dealership so they can take a look at it.
And what did they say?
So it turned out to be the throttle body was damaged. They cannot fix it or service it, so I have to replace the entire unit. They were charging a lot of money, so I decided not to do it. I'm gonna do it on my own, so maybe that's a video we can do later on for everybody. Found great reviews for a Mamo ported throttle body, so I need to buy it first and then get it here and install it myself. To change it should take no more than half an hour, so we'll see if that's the time that it takes. But that should fix that power engine reduce message on the dashboard, and it's basically it's not sending right signals for where the throttle should be, where the gas it is. So that's what causes the engine to be powered down. The other thing that the car had was I kept noticing like a clunk kind of sound on the rear of the car. So I did some research again, and it was supposed to be like the thrust, but it turned out it wasn't that. It was just the end links of the sway bar on the rear. The part is cheap. It's like $122 for the part, but the labor was too expensive in my opinion. It's almost $300 to just change the end links. But I decided only to do that, and then I'll do the other on my own. So glad that I have it back. I cannot race it now because I'm probably gonna get that same error message again. So once I get the upgraded throttle body, we'll be testing it again. I'll see what's going on.
Nice. And tell everybody, what is this doing to the wheels?
It's doing 524 right now to the wheel.
Damn, nice.
Yeah, we'll see.
And what do you have done to it?
I did the Cook's long tube headers, the Rotofab cold air intake, and I tune it. That's it.
Nice, man.
Yeah,
that's pretty good for just those three things.
Those three things. Well, it comes with 580 out of factory.
Yeah.
So, supercharged. So next thing will be upper pulley. Will be the ideal will be upper pulley, a heat exchanger with the thermostat and the isolator, bigger injectors. With that and tuning, it should be around 630 horsepower.
To the wheels?
To the wheels on manual. So we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I'm still debating, but I'm being tempted. We'll see.
The beasts.
Yeah.
So, like he said, they were charging a lot, but obviously that's basically what happens when you go to the dealer. I actually consulted him to get that one thing done because he can actually get the warranty on the parts and on the labor, right? And then they were going to charge him $150 for not doing it there. Basically, they were going to charge him the diagnostic fee. So I just let him know, you know what, just get it done there. The parts basically come out to everything. If you do it yourself and take the car out, you're basically just gonna maybe save yourself $80, $60. So that's basically what happened. He liked the idea and he got it done. So you guys will see, hopefully we're gonna make another video where he's going to be putting in that throttle body when it actually comes in, and hopefully you guys like that as well. So till next time. Oh, hold on, you know I gotta show a picture or a video of the R and the Beast, right? So till next time, guys, thank you for checking it out. Check out motormisfit.com. Check out the podcast, Motor Misfit Podcast, on all your podcast platforms. And lastly, please, actually, on the podcast, I need you guys to rate it and download. That will seriously help me out. If you can subscribe, that will be great as well. And then here, talking about subscribing on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, click that bell icon. It really helps us out. Till next time, guys, peace out.